Hey fans, welcome to the world of innovation. Explore the world of innovative gadgets and tools in this comprehensive guide. From the Nordic Pocket Saw, your ultimate hand-powered chainsaw for outdoor adventures. This lightweight and compact tool is designed to be your trusty companion wherever you go. Its heat-treated high-carbon steel chain features 33 bidirectional teeth, ensuring a smooth and fast cutting experience. From wood branches to small trees, this saw handles it all with ease. It comes in two versions, the premium version and the fold version. The premium version boasts a longer chain, perfect for cutting thicker materials, while the fold version is shorter and more compact, ideal for portability. Klein Loose Cable Stappler, your solution to tidying up cables effortlessly. Arranging cables neatly can be quite a chore, especially when you need to adjust them frequently in dynamic office environments. While hiding them under baseboards might seem ideal for aesthetics, it's not always practical. That's where this nifty stapler comes to the rescue. Designed to fit snugly in your hand, it simplifies the cable organization process. You can easily adjust the pressure with the lever, ensuring a secure hold without damaging the cables. The manufacturer guarantees durability, assuring that it can withstand shocks and falls while remaining cool and jam-free. Keep in mind that it's compatible only with staples from the same brand, Klein. But with its affordable price tag of $40, it's a small investment for a big convenience. Terrier lifting clamps, a remarkable device that's sure to impress both seasoned professionals and curious newcomers alike. This clamp is specifically crafted for steel plates, boasting a simple yet effective design comprising a body, a cam, and a pin. The cam serves as a lifting shackle, ensuring a firm and secure grip on the load. Before utilizing the clamp, precision is paramount. Accurately measuring the thickness of the plates is crucial for optimal performance. Once the measurements are obtained and the pin is securely positioned on the opposite side, you're all set to lift. What's remarkable is that the plates are held securely in place solely by the pressure generated by their own weight. No need for electricity, just the marvels of physics at work. The Stubby, a little tool that works wonders with directed air. It's the force behind lifting airplanes, adding thrill to skydiving in vertical wind tunnels and tackling moisture and dust. This nifty attachment, compatible with Milwaukee vacuums, is specially designed to clear suds and droplets from your car post-wash. It features two types of attachments, screw-on and snap-on. Simply connect it to your vacuum cleaner and you're ready to start eliminating moisture. And the best part, it's just $5. The Quickpoint Turbo, your ticket to achieving flawless mortar coating without needing to be a mason. Made in the UK, this mortar gun attaches to a drill and effortlessly dispenses mixed mortar through a narrow nozzle. It's ideal for evenly filling masonry cracks. For optimal performance, the manufacturer suggests using a drill with a speed of 1,500 revolutions per minute, preferably electric-powered, although a battery-powered drill can also do the job. Ensuring there's no clogging is key when using the gun. With several years on the market, the Quikpoint Turbo has garnered numerous reviews. And the best part? It starts at around $285.